the stunned gopher coming back at you guys. It survived the barbecue sauce challenge. Yep. Alright, well, like I said, I'm going to make more gopher challenges. So pretty much I'm going to go for it, but what are we going to have? Diet Coke, whole thing without burping? Or maybe just chugging the whole thing? Or maybe I got Shelly Boo thinking she can challenge me of downing 12 of these faster than I could. Oh, that sounds not too bad. Then I seen, wow, LA Beast, no, not LA Beast, oh, what is his name? Furious Pete. Furious Pete actually do 3 of these bottles. I was just like, holy crappers. And then LA Beast did this. 2 lemons eaten whole. I was like, ooh. But, hey man, I'll go for it. Then I seen this one too. This one's kind of interesting. It's a 250 gram butter. Some dude actually got $2,000 for this. You know, I'm not doing it for $2,000. I'm doing it just for subscribers and for likes and more views. So, I don't know. What challenge should I try today? Ho 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 ho. They all look quite difficult. But I'm going to go with the one that I think, honestly, I'm not going to be able to achieve whatsoever. But it's going to be funny, it's going to be fun. I thought, you get down it. There's a trick to it. Well, let's try it. So, come on guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and you'll see more challenges come your way. But at the same time, like I said before, I want to see you guys challenged, so show me your vids. I want to laugh too from you guys challenging it. But let's start this off. So just to bring this up closer for you guys to see, it is a non-open bottle. Woo! See? If you need to see the seal. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And we will open her here. Alright. Without burping. I don't even think I could drink one of these things down on my own. But let's just see how far we can get without burping. It looks so easy, but like once you watch a couple of them, I think diet itself sucks. Yeah, I'm feeling the pressure now. Feeling the pressure. Yeah, it's building up in my throat. Wow. Whoa. Well, knew I was gonna feel that one horribly. horribly. The worst part about it is, it gets painful right in the stomach. You cannot ignore the factor that it actually goes down your throat and then it just builds pressure. You feel it right off the bat, and I think it's just, I think my son's listening. I think he's listening in the background. Anyways, wow. Well, like I said, more coming, but I am not going to fail on these. Or maybe I will. But the Gopher piece out, I'm going to keep trying. Go for it.